Concerts, clubs, large wedding receptions, new restrictions are about to go in place. Thank you for joining us at 10. I'm JACLYN Allen.
And I'm Brian Wang. Late this afternoon, the state announced it will enact a new vaccine mandate for 6 Denver metro counties to curb rising COVID-19 cases across the state.
All right, let's break this down right now. Starting this Friday, everyone attending indoor, unseated events with more than 500 people must be vaccinated. This will apply to events in Denver, Arapahoe, Adams, Boulder, Broomfield, and Jefferson counties. Now, in order to be considered a seated event, 100% of attendees must be seated. So venues can submit a variance request to be exempt from the order, but that will have to go through CDPHE. Examples from the state on what events this applies to includes concerts, receptions, bars, dance halls, and auctions. Now, the state tells us this is necessary so they don't have to issue statewide closures or capacity restrictions.
Denver 7's Sloan Dickey joins us live now. Sloan, the state just announced this order tonight, but there's still a lot of questions.
Yeah, exactly. We received this order at about 5 o'clock this afternoon, and it did leave us with some questions as to how it specifically is going to be enforced and how it will curb the spread of COVID-19. We do know that this comes out at a time when COVID continues to spike in Colorado and hospitals continue to be overwhelmed.
It's really tough.
Joshua Caldwell is an Army veteran and a registered nurse at the Rocky Mountain Regional VA Hospital in Colorado.
I do feel like we're in some kind of a war with a virus.
He says this battle is taking its toll.
Most of us that are in healthcare, we're just, really, stressed. We're exhausted.
As the coronavirus pandemic continues and intensifies, the stress is intensifying as well.
Sometimes we see our patient load, our workload is just getting close to those limits or even beyond our limits. It's really difficult.
Hospitals in Colorado are overwhelmed once again as the coronavirus reaches new infection rates not seen since the peak of the pandemic 1 year ago. The state averaged more than 3,100 cases per day over the past week. To manage emergency room visits, the state has reinstated an emergency order allowing hospitals to refuse new patients when emergency rooms are full.
For us, it breaks our heart to draw any boundaries to not help people. At the same time, the patients that we currently have, if we can't take care of them safely and adequately, I don't know what we're going to do. So, yeah, it's super hard right now.
To slow the spread, some parts of the state, including Denver, Arapahoe, Jefferson, and Boulder counties, are implementing vaccine requirements for all non-seated events with more than 500 attendees.
We're just really trying to find that wherewithal, to get through this pandemic. And put our best foot forward.
Another struggle, staffing shortages at many major hospital systems across the state as cases increase and resources decline. Caldwell says the VA has not suffered as many setbacks as other hospitals, but the stress can be felt across the industry.
I think it's the lack of support. I think it's the stress. I think that a lot of people got into this profession thinking that they weren't going to have a pandemic, but here we are.
Now back to that vaccine requirement for events with 500 people or more. We did reach out to the CDPHE with several questions, and they couldn't find us anybody to speak with us on camera, but they did send us an email, JACLYN. They said that the 500 person threshold is to stop super spreader events, and the reason it is for unseated events instead of seated is because there is more intermingling at the unseated events. Now, these vaccine requirements go into effect on November 19th, so we'll have to see after that point if it has any measurable impact on the spread of COVID-19 in Colorado. JACLYN.
All right, thank you, Sloan. And as Sloan just said, CDPHE did just get back to us answering some of our questions. We asked specifically why this mandate only applies to 6 Denver metro counties when cases are on the rise all across Colorado. Well, they responded, "We are proud of these 6 counties for stepping up and doing what's right in their areas." They added, "We have been in communication with all counties to determine what's most effective for their region and communities." We also asked how this will apply to Ball Arena. Well, essentially they said supporting events are still okay to allow a negative COVID-19 test because people are in seats. But when it comes to concerts where attendees can leave their seats and move close to the stage, the vaccine mandates will apply. We also asked why just unseated events rather than any indoor event with 500 or more people. As Sloan indicated, they responded, unseated events could pose greater risk of transmission because individuals can interact with more people.